Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be swapping out my grill. We have I believe this grill is the one that comes with the SRTs. We're going to be installing that one in and removing the old one. I bought this off Amazon. So yeah, let's get to it. Here we got my brother-in-law helping me out. Shout out to him. Shout out to my brother also for helping us out. I'm not going to be really doing a step-by-step video on how to do it. I'm just basically going to be showing you a quick overview of it. As you can see, I'm showing you the screws, or I mean, sorry, the clips that were needed to be taken off. A couple there. You see me pointing at them. It's quite a few in there. I don't really count how many were there, but there's quite a few in there. As well as the bottom, there's about the bottom. I think there's like about 6 of them. There you go, right there. The clips are attached to the front bumper. You're going to remove those clips. Same using a flathead. Um, there should be some other clips underneath them. I'm going to show you about where that are also attached to the front bumper. And right there are some of the other clips that I was telling you about that are also going to be attached to the front bumper. So yeah, you have to remove the top one and where I just showed you right now, those two clips, using the flathead as well. So this is the end product of what it looks like. Um, that's the front of the car. As you can see, it gives it a much meaner look, in my opinion, and it also looks a lot better. So yeah, I was very satisfied with the looks that it gives it. Totally worth it. I think I bought this grill for like 70 bucks. Um, it was on Amazon. I'll share the link down on the description. See if you guys want to go ahead and check it out, or if you guys want to go ahead and purchase it. I'll put a link down below. So yeah, I was very satisfied. A lot of people were complaining that it had like gaps and stuff. To me, it looks fine. I'm not. Then again, I'm not a very picky person. So yeah, I think it looks very, very, very nice. Very cool. Definitely gives it a much meaner look, in my opinion. And for the price that it was, it wasn't crazy expensive. It was just like 70, 80 bucks. I think it was very affordable, and it won't break the bank. We start off by one screw here, another screw there. We have these plugs, plastic plugs. You just pull out. I used a flathead. I know there's a special tool for this, but I used a flathead. I didn't have the other one to make it easier. So you got basically this, all these little ones that you see on the plastic. Just take them out. Like I said, one and another screw over there. And then we come behind here, and then you have some other clips here, right here. Some other clips here and here. I didn't take the whole thing off, so I just took the one in the middle and the ones right here. And then you have some under here, some screws under here, under this whole bumper right here. And same goes with the other side. So yeah. So I mean, I could have done this. We could have done this in one day. It was my brother-in-law helping me, and my brother. But I ran out of light yesterday, and I just got out of work, so it took another 30 minutes to do the rest, and that was it. And then here's the old one. Here's the new one. So yeah. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.